Hello everyone. This is a sponsored video on Camtasia, which I have been using for quite a few years now, and I thought that you'd find this helpful. I have used Camtasia in a variety of ways, particularly related to my YouTube channel that I have created and posted 621 videos. Additionally, I have been using Camtasia for creating employee training, and here is one of the examples. This summer, we updated our learning management system where it required that all the faculty be trained on the new platform. Instead of meeting with them, we provided options for training. We developed 29 different modules. As you can see, we have training on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Office. So you can use it for employee training. You can use it to develop online courses. In our case, we have developed more than 100 courses where the faculty captures the lectures and then we edit them using Camtasia. So Camtasia were among the first ones to provide solutions for screen capture. To this day, though there are additional solutions, their screen capture quality is unmatched. You can capture the screen, also capture the camera and the system audio much better than other competing products. Where this product also shines is the video editing solution. With Camtasia Rev, now you can create different layouts with just a single click of the content that you capture. So you could capture the video as 16:9 to post the content on YouTube, but then with one click you can select the vertical option or the square option so that you can publish it on YouTube Shorts or Instagram. You can select pre-configured templates for the backgrounds and the size and so on, or you can create your own template for those as well. Recently, Camtasia also added the Audiate option, which uses AI to make video creation even easier. If you have your own script, you can use AI to generate the actual audio from the script. And then if you record your own video, like I'm doing in my case without a script, then while you're editing it, you can select the Audiate option, and then you can edit your video by simply modifying the script that the system generates from your recorded video. And then you can sync those changes with your video, and it cuts down on your editing time. Additionally, Camtasia has a variety of assets to enhance your video. This includes audio visualizers and predefined backgrounds and custom titles. When it comes to producing the video, you can post it directly to YouTube with just a couple clicks, or on other platforms, or use screencast.com, which is the TechSmith platform. If you wanted to learn more about TechSmith, you can go to techsmith.com, select Camtasia, and here on the very top, you can explore additional features, whether it is the recording, video, how you can import existing content that you may have captured with your smartphone or other video repository that you may have and you may want to reuse, sound effects, motions, noise removal, audio leveling, normalization, and so on. When it comes to pricing, Camtasia, it's quite affordable for the functionality that it provides. I'm going to put in the video description the link to start a free trial. You can go to any of the pages on TechSmith's website, click on Start a Free Trial, and maybe you can develop your own training for your employees. Maybe create some content and start your own YouTube channel or lectures if you're a teacher and you want to develop lectures for your classes, whether teaching online or on-site to enhance learning, as in the case of a flipped classroom. So give it a try and get started today with a free trial of Camtasia and go from there.